Ciao from Liguria, this is Luisa Pupo. In front of me a nice serving of buridda mista, polpo, seppie and piselli, which is a fish stew, and in this case this is octopus and cuttlefish with peas. Buridda is a word of ancient Arabic origins. You get burid in Provence, and fish stews are a common trait throughout the old Mediterranean areas. There are thousands variations on the theme, starting from Bouillabaisse on the Côte d'Azur, going down in Tuscany, Livorno with caciucco. Make sure you got the 5 C's in the right place. And on the other side of Italy, in the Marche region, you have what is called brodetto. Enjoy your buridda with the thickest wine matching. In this case, this is rosé. In fact, Mina, our sommelier, our friend from Azzurro 2 here in Arenzano, is ready with an excellent bottle of Serrasuolo, which is a rosé wine from the Colli di Luni DOC. And here she is ready to pour a glass of this nice summer wine, and you can see it's pink onion color, and sorry for you cannot appreciate the scent and the flavor of both wine and dish. Keep on following me throughout my YouTube videos, and do not forget to log in to my Liguria by Luisa blog. So this is it for now. Saluti a tutti and enjoy Liguria. Ciao!